Okay, say, I know you have a lot of experience in life. What one lesson would you tell us as you've lived on this earth?
Yes. So whatever you are doing, do it the very best. If you cannot do it, don't pretend. There is somebody who can do it better. Allow the person to do it.
I said there is a saying that the more you learn, the more you become perfect.
Yes, we are guided by our mindset and belief system. There is somebody who has a zeal to do something. He doesn't know it. He wants to do it. Such a person is guided. Have mentorship. You understand? So whatever you are given to do, I will use this opportunity to praise one Ghanaian contractor. I've heard about him. I didn't see him. I don't know whether he is still alive. Kasajan.
Okay.
You know, I'm told that the old road from Winneba to Odan, he constructed it. And the records is that every road that he constructed lasts very long. Now, what do you see? What do you see about roads? The road is constructed and it doesn't last 1 year, 2 years.
Sure.
When Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah had humanity at heart, look at his constructions. Temamoto Way. And this is a very good opportunity to tell the leaders of this country. The Temamoto Way was constructed with concrete, with reinforcement with what? Iron rods. And so if you are repairing these roads and you are using bitumen, it will not work because they are different materials with different expansion rates. So in the afternoon when the sun is too high, the bitumen expands faster and it's melting while the concrete is there. So go and see. I believe maybe I would discuss with the crew, then we'll go and look at what I'm to confirm what I'm saying.
Sure.
You understand?
Viewers will do that.
Yeah. So whatever you are doing, do it the very best. And then you do it with humanity at heart.
Wow. That's an interesting
Yes.
session. I think we should have part two of
Yes.
this. The youth, we need a lot of advice. And we hardly hear topics of such. We more times hear about dating and other things we don't even need that much. So tell us one thing as every youth in Ghana needs to know.
All right. What I would say is that according to Quran, God, Allah Almighty has said that He created people who were stronger than before. And where are they? You've heard the story of Goliath.
Sure.
Do you understand? That is far. Then in Ghana here, we've heard about Asebua Memfi. You know, no, I'm talking about giant human beings.
Okay.
Asebua Memfi. Okay. Then somebody called us Mori. I think there's a statue at Mori, a certain giant. According to history, he was together with Asebua Memfi, and then he is number one fisherman or so. So the youth of today, look, we should not be fooled by the technology that we have. What we are seeing now, in 5 years or 10 years to come, will be regarded obsolete. So we should not be carried away by technology. We have to respect the elderly in the community. Children of today would insult. That is not our culture. Of course, the youth are copying what is happening in the society. You open the radio, political discussions, there is insult here and there. We are losing something. Go to Japan, their culture, patriotism, Ghana, we are losing it. And if we lose it, it is a law. We will hit the war.
But the youth will tell you that freedom of speech. So
it is not freedom of speech. There is freedom of speech, but I'm telling you that everything we are doing has been done before.
Sure.
Everything that we are doing has been done before. So we should not be carried away. We need to, slow down and then learn from our elders. You understand? We need in agric science, we make compost. Or in farming, we make compost. You need new and old materials before you can get. So we cannot say that we are the youth and the youthful experience, so we should not be controlled. No, we need to learn from the elders. Okay?
Sure.
Yes, so that is the advice I'll give. But I believe that if we have such platforms to discuss these issues, it will help us. The Ghanaian youth are ready to do something, but the opportunity is not there. So when the opportunity is not there, then frustration sets in. Okay, so I'm happy that we have this platform to discuss this.
Interesting. Okay, say, can you give us one instance that or a challenge that came your way that you use the principle to overcome it?
Well, in fact, I cannot pinpoint. I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot. I remember in 2006 when I went to university, K University, as a first year student. I had health challenge. In fact, it really affected my studies. I was going to the hospital every week. Every Monday, I missed lectures. So I had some um, courses that I didn't appreciate because I missed every Monday. I have to go to hospital. I went to Tech Hospital and I was referred to Confanoche Hospital. And then they told me at the hospital ENT department, they told me that they have to perform some surgery. And according to the doctor, he said, ever since the hospital was established, the department, they've done that for two people, but it wasn't successful.
Oh,
Yes. And in fact, it's a moment that I went through a lot. In fact, every day, the kind of medicine I would take alone
wow.
put me down. This coupled with financial challenges and whatever, it was not easy. But I got to a point that I said, no, these challenges that I'm going through, if I fail in life, I can't go and explain that these are the reasons why I failed in life.
Sure.
So I have to what?
No matter what,
No
you
matter
have
what,
to do it.
I have to go. And where some of us are coming from, we are coming from poor homes. Okay. So
Sure.
the family is expecting you. Being the first family member to go to university,
You have to.
you understand, where your siblings are taking inspiration from you, then you say that I can't make it. Do you understand the point?
Sure.
And my mom of blessed memory was selling kinky. My father too had
Fancy kinky
no
or
kinky. When you go
kinky.
to
Okay.
Konongo, it's the best kinky
Oh,
that you can get there. And my sister has taken over and is doing very well.
wow. I'll
Yes,
pass by one day
yes.
to
My
enjoy.
mom, everybody knows her. My dad too. So when my mom gives me money, you understand, I tell
Sure.
myself that I'll work hard and bring back the money to you. Unfortunately, they all passed away.
Oh,
But I believe that since we have other people who took care of us, and then we have a lot of moms around, we have a lot of dads around, we can do that. So in fact, it was a very, I have not shared this. This is the first time I'm sharing this challenge that I went
we
through. In
are
fact,
fortunate to have you today.
yes, yes. So that is it. Everybody will go through challenge. When you go through challenge, you can look for mentorship. You can look for advice. Do you understand? Don't give
Sure.
up. Nobody should give up. No matter what you are going through, some of the things that you are going through are to teach you lessons in life.
Sure.
You go and take motivational books that you are reading. It is somebody's experience. So make it and then share your story one day. Somebody's life depends on you. I'm telling you, the universe operates according to laws, principles, and patterns. This pattern is there. I passed through it. Somebody too is passing through it. So once you are going through a challenge, it means that you'll be successful. If you are not
Interesting.
going through any challenge, it's not the very best. Accept challenges. Don't give up.
Great. It's been a wonderful time with you, and we really appreciate being here with us. And we have learned a lot. What I'm taking home is I shouldn't be
Discourage, yeah.
discouraged by what life throws at me, but just focus and follow the principal patterns and then the laws, and your life will be successful. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. It's a nice moment, and we believe that we have another opportunity to meet.
Sure.
All right.
Thank you, viewers. It's been a wonderful time this is on the table and you're going to enjoy more interesting topics. See you.